Nachtfalter, and today we are going to look at a moth that I caught last night. This is the common rustic. This moth is 2.4 centimetres or 24 millimetres, if you size. This moth is found throughout Britain, Europe, Siberia, and Central Asia. This moth's name comes from its colour, which is very brown, consisting of white spots. It's called rustic, and rustic comes from the word rust, because some individuals are rusty grey, like this one here. This coloration helps to hide from predators like birds. There's also a black form of this moth. Black insects are often born where there's a lot of air pollution. Even though there's not a lot of air pollution in the area where I live, sometimes they are born close to cities and streets. They inhabit gardens, farms, calcareous grasslands, and, of course, woodland. The caterpillars are brown and spotty. They feed on various foods such as hotfoot and fasting. Bye! Please like and subscribe.